C used to be the it girl skincare, but she's recently taken a downfall due to her bitchy, irritating tendencies. So the question is vitamin C still the GOAT, and should you be using it for your skincare routine? What's the best type of vitamin C, and how can you use it for the best results? So if you have these questions, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be diving into the benefits of vitamin C, the different types, and then how to use it for the best results. Make sure you check back with me next week, where I'll be sharing my favorite vitamin C serums based on today's tips. If you're new here, I'm Christina. I have my doctorate degree where I dive deep into the skincare research to bring you science-based tips. While I'm not a dermatologist, my advice is grounded in extensive research and just not my personal experience. On this channel, we talk about all things skincare, especially Korean skincare, so if you haven't subscribed yet, then you need to right now so we become skincare besties. Let's jump into it. Did you know that vitamin C gets over 1.4 million searches on Google, and it's mostly known for its brightening benefits? Vitamin C works by inhibiting an enzyme called tyrosine, which produces melanin, which is the stuff that gives our skin its color. Studies show that using vitamin C regularly can help prevent dark spots from forming and gives you a more brighter, even skin tone. So not only does it help fade existing dark spots, it also helps new ones from forming. But vitamin C isn't the only skincare ingredient that can brighten your skin. There are other skincare ingredients like these that can also inhibit tyrosine to help brighten your skin without the irritation. And so these are the most effective when you have a product with a combination of these ingredients. Did you know that adding vitamin C to your routine can make your sunscreen way more effective? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, you know, those harmful molecules that damage our skin from UV exposure. When you pair vitamin C with your sunscreen, it acts as that extra layer of defense against any free radicals that might slip past your sunscreen's additional protection. By combining vitamin C with your sunscreen, you're actually doubling your protection against the sun damage to prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and prevent collagen breakdown. Another benefit of vitamin C is it actually builds collagen. Collagen is what keeps our skin looking plump, juicy, and wrinkle-free. As we age, our collagen production decreases, which is why we get wrinkles and sagging skin. Studies have shown that vitamin C actually promotes collagen production, and it can slow its breakdown, so it's great for anti-aging. Vitamin C has many benefits, but she still has her baggage, especially in her pure form, which is known as L-ascorbic acid. So here's where she falls short. First, vitamin C isn't lipid soluble, and you might be wondering why this matters. Our skin is made up of lipids, which is known as fat, like ceramides, which form a barrier between our skin cells. Since L-ascorbic acid isn't lipid soluble, it struggles to penetrate this barrier to reach the deeper layers where our collagen is located. It also needs a low pH to be absorbed by our skin, and so this low pH can actually cause our skin to be irritated. And to top it off, vitamin C is pretty unstable, so it breaks down pretty quickly, meaning it doesn't last very long. To combat these issues, many skincare brands stabilize vitamin C with other ingredients like vitamin E and ferulic acid. Even with these challenges, well-formulated vitamin C products can still be super effective. So brands work really hard to include these stabilizing ingredients to make sure your vitamin C is stable, effective, and less irritating. Because of the challenges of L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C derivatives were created. So these were designed to be more stable and to penetrate our skin better. So we're going to focus on some of the most common and the most effective ones that you're seeing in your skincare products. These derivatives need to get into the skin and then be converted into pure vitamin C to be effective. So let's chat about the different types of vitamin C derivatives, and I'll be ranking these from the most researched and effective to the least researched and least effective. So we all know the most popular form of vitamin C is backed by extensive research, and that's L-ascorbic acid. She's highly effective at brightening your skin, protecting your skin from free radicals, and building collagen to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. But like we talked about earlier, she can be unstable and she can be irritating. Kind of sounds like my mom. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective vitamin C, then try ethyl ascorbic acid. So this is one of my personal favorites because it's one of the most stable forms of vitamin C, and 80% of it actually converts into pure vitamin C when applied to the skin. So she has all the same benefits of L-ascorbic acid, but she's less irritating. So it's great for individuals with really sensitive skin. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vitamin C that's non-irritating and it's great at reducing wrinkles and pigmentation, then try sodium ascorbyl phosphate. This vitamin C derivative is more stable and gentler than L-ascorbic acid, making it the perfect option for sensitive skin. It's effective at diminishing wrinkles and pigmentation, and there's promising research suggesting it actually might help with your acne because it has antimicrobial properties, but we need more research to confirm this. Next up, we have tetrahexyl dexoscorbate. Such a mouthful. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so don't hold me to that, but let's just call it THD for short. This vitamin C derivative is lipid soluble, so it means it penetrates your skin pretty easily. It hasn't been studied as much as some of the other other vitamin C derivatives, but it does show a lot of promise for anti-aging and pigmentation. It's often recommended for sensitive skin, but we do need more research to fully confirm its effectiveness. My least favorite vitamin C derivative is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. It doesn't absorb well, and it's generally less effective compared to the other forms of vitamin C, so if you're looking for significant benefits, this isn't the best choice, and so I would actually just skip this one. So is vitamin C the GOAT for skin brightening and fine lines and wrinkles? It's definitely a contender because it has so much research to support its benefits, but she does have some downsides like irritation and stability issues. The good news is there are plenty of vitamin C derivatives that tackle these concerns. So we have options like ethyl ascorbic acid and sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which are more stable and less irritating, making them great alternatives. So vitamin C is definitely a fantastic ingredient, but it's not the only player in the game. Other ingredients like CoQ10 also offer great antioxidant benefits that protect your skin from free radicals. The thing with CoQ10, it doesn't help with collagen production and it can be a little bit pricey. Now, it's not that big of a deal if you're already using retinoids or glycolic acid, which are amazing for boosting your collagen production, although they can be a little bit irritating for some people. So you've got options depending on what your skin needs and how it reacts to different products. In my opinion, if you're looking for anti-aging benefits and evening out your skin tone, then I would recommend incorporating a vitamin C or a vitamin C derivative like ethyl ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbyl phosphate in your routine. So now that we chatted about the benefits, the downsides, and some of the most popular vitamin C types, let's do a quick Q&A. That way you know how to incorporate them into your routine. So what concentration of L-ascorbic acid should I look for in my vitamin C products? When you're looking for vitamin C products, you want to aim for products with L-ascorbic acid concentrations between 8 to 20%. Below 8, it might not be effective, and above 20, it can actually be too harsh or too irritating without offering any additional benefits. When's the best time to use vitamin C in my skincare routine? So you can actually use vitamin C in the morning and at night. In the morning, it acts as an antioxidant to protect your skin from environmental damage like UV rays and pollution, and then pairing it with your sunscreen actually enhances your protection. If you use it at night, vitamin C helps to improve your skin tone, boost your collagen, and reduce your wrinkles since it's not being affected by your sunlight or pollutants. It also depends on what other skincare ingredients you're using in your routine. So if you're using exfoliants and retinoids at night, then using both L-ascorbic acid and these ingredients could be too irritating for your skin. If you do want to use it both morning and night, one tip is to choose a product with a vitamin C derivative. That way you can use it both in the morning and at night without the irritation. Are there any ingredients I should avoid mixing with vitamin C? Certain ingredients can interfere with vitamin C's effectiveness, so you want to avoid benzoyl peroxide or copper peptides because it can cancel out vitamin C's benefits. And then you also want to be cautious when combining vitamin C with retinol or other exfoliating acids, especially if you have sensitive skin, because it can be really irritating. Now, you can use vitamin C with your exfoliating acids and your retinoids. It doesn't affect the efficacy of vitamin C or that product. So the reason why people tell you that you can't mix vitamin C with your retinoids or your chemical exfoliants is because they're all very irritating to your skin. So it's not like these ingredients are interacting with each other, causing them to be ineffective. It's just because all of these ingredients can be very irritating to your skin. We don't want to damage our skin barrier. But if you use a vitamin C derivative that are more stable, they're not that irritating, it actually takes away this concern. So that's why you can pair a vitamin C derivative with your retinoid or other exfoliants, is because you don't have the same issues that you would with L-ascorbic acid. Now, I know some of you are going to be like, no, you can't use your chemical exfoliants, your retinoids, and your vitamin C together, but if they don't irritate your skin, then yes, you absolutely can. If you use hypochlorous acid for your acne, don't use it immediately before or after your vitamin C because it'll actually neutralize its effects. But if you use it like a few hours afterwards, then that's okay. I actually keep my hypochlorous acid at my desk, so I'll spray it while I'm working, or I'll keep it in my car right after I'm working out. It's killing the bacteria from my acne. So as long as you use it a few hours afterwards, then that's okay. It won't interfere or cancel out your vitamin C. How should I apply vitamin C in my skincare routine? So vitamin C should be applied to dry, clean skin. So here's how I do it. In the morning, I will cleanse my face, apply my toner, wait for my skin to dry, and then apply my vitamin C, and then I'll lock that in with my moisturizer and then follow up with the sunscreen. In my nighttime routine, I'll double cleanse. So I'll first apply my oil cleanser, remove all the dirt, grime, and makeup from the day, then follow up with my water-based cleanser. Then I'll apply my toner, let that dry, apply my retinoid, and then apply my vitamin C derivative. Notice I say derivative, I'm not using L-ascorbic acid, so I'm not causing any additional irritation in my skin, and then I'll lock it in with a moisturizer. So what should I do if my skin becomes irritated to vitamin C? So there are a few things that you can do. So one, you can try a lower concentration of vitamin C. You could try a different formulation. Sometimes it's the way that the vitamin C is formulated, so you could just try a different vitamin C product. If you're using L-ascorbic acid, you could switch to a gentler derivative such as ethyl ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbyl phosphate, since these forms are more stable and less irritating. And then finally, if you're using your vitamin C with other irritating skincare ingredients like your chemical exfoliants and your retinoids, you probably don't want to use them in the same routine. I would use your vitamin C in the morning and then use your retinoids and your exfoliators at night. How long does it take to see results from using vitamin C? You might start to see initial improvements in your skin's brightness and texture within a few weeks of consistent use. Notice I said consistent. You need to use this every day to see results. For more significant changes such as reduction in your wrinkles and your dark spots, it can take a few months of regular application. So you need to be really patient and you need to be really consistent with using this. You need to use this every day to see results. I hope this information helped you determine if vitamin C is right for you. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so we can hang out again. Don't forget to look out for my video next week where I'll review my favorite vitamin C products. Thanks for chatting with me today. I'll see you next time.